Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're looking for a quick, no-bake dessert that will absolutely wow your family and friends, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing my no-bake bourbon biscuits roll recipe. And trust me, this is one dessert you're going to keep making again and again. This recipe is perfect for those moments when you want something sweet, but don't feel like switching on the oven. It's creamy, rich, and has that perfect balance of chocolatey biscuits, fluffy cream filling, and a fresh fruity bite from strawberries. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to transform simple pantry ingredients into a dessert that looks fancy enough for a party, but takes barely any time. Plus, I'll be sharing tips along the way to help you improve your no-bake dessert skills. So keep watching. Let's start with what you'll need for this delicious roll. You might already have most of these in your kitchen. Bourbon biscuits, 200 grams. Butter, a quarter cup melted. For the filling, double cream, half a cup. Sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons. Fresh strawberries, a handful chopped. That's it. Just 5 basic ingredients. And you're on your way to making something truly special. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Prepare the biscuit dough. The first thing we're going to do is crush all the bourbon biscuits. You can use a food processor to make this super quick, or just pop them into a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin until you get fine crumbs. Next, pour in the melted butter. Mix it together until the crumbs come together into a thick dough. This step is so important because the butter acts as a binder, giving our roll a firm structure when chilled. A tip here. If the dough feels a little dry, add just a touch more melted butter. If it's too sticky, add a few more crushed biscuits. Step 2. Make the cream filling. In a clean mixing bowl, add your double cream and the sweetened condensed milk. Beat this mixture until it forms stiff peaks. This means when you lift your whisk or beater, the cream holds its shape firmly. This light and creamy filling will create that luscious layer inside our roll. A quick tip for whipping cream. Make sure your cream is chilled and use a chilled bowl if you can. It makes the whipping process much faster and more stable. Step 3. Prepare the strawberries. Wash and chop your strawberries into small pieces. They add a refreshing fruity contrast to the rich chocolate and cream. If strawberries aren't in season, feel free to swap them with raspberries, blueberries, or even diced mango for a fun twist. Assembling the roll. Now comes the fun part, assembling our roll. Lay a sheet of butter paper or parchment paper on your counter. Place your biscuit dough on top and cover it with another sheet of butter paper. Using a rolling pin, gently roll out the dough into an even rectangle. Don't rush this step. Take your time to get a smooth, even thickness. Trim the edges with a knife to give it a clean rectangular shape. Next, spread the whipped cream mixture evenly over the biscuit base. Use an offset spatula or the back of a spoon to get a nice, even layer. Then sprinkle your chopped strawberries over the cream. Now, starting from one edge, carefully roll it up like a Swiss roll, using the butter paper to guide you. This part might feel a little delicate, but the paper helps keep everything tight and neat. Once rolled, wrap it up in the butter paper and pop it into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Chilling is key here. It helps the roll firm up and makes slicing so much easier. You can even leave it in the fridge for a few hours if you're making it ahead for a party. What makes this no-bake bourbon biscuits roll so special is how effortlessly it comes together while still looking like something you'd find in a bakery. No baking required. Perfect for hot days or when you're short on time. Beginner friendly. Even if you've never baked before, you can master this. Customizable. Change up the fruits, add some chopped nuts, or drizzle chocolate sauce on top for your own twist. Teaches key techniques. Rolling out a biscuit base and creating a stable whipped cream filling are skills that will help you with many other desserts in the future. Think of this recipe as a confidence booster. It shows you that with just a handful of ingredients, you can create something beautiful and delicious without complicated steps. When your roll is chilled and ready, carefully unwrap it from the butter paper. Use a sharp knife to slice it into rounds, wiping the knife clean between cuts for neat slices. Serve it as it is, or for an extra touch, dust a little cocoa powder on top or drizzle with melted chocolate. Pair it with a cup of coffee or tea, and you've got a dessert that feels indulgent, but is secretly so simple. And there you have it, your very own no-bake bourbon biscuits roll. I hope you give this recipe a try, because it's one of those desserts that never fail to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to explore more no-bake treats on my channel. I've got plenty of quick and easy desserts waiting for you. Whether you're a beginner or someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, there's always something new to discover here. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know how your roll turned out, or if you added your own creative twist. Thanks so much for watching. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.